What if I told you that the secret to bigger blooms and juicier fruit might already be in your home? Sometimes plants just need a gentle, natural boost to wake up their growth. Today I'll show you a simple monthly feed that many gardeners use to support flowering and fruit development. Start by taking 2 tablespoons of rice and add it to 1 liter of water. Rice slowly releases natural starch into the water. These starches feed beneficial soil microbes, which help improve soil activity and support stronger roots. Healthy roots mean plants can absorb more nutrients and grow with more energy. Next, add 1 tablespoon of sugar to the same water. Sugar provides a quick energy source for the helpful microorganisms living in the soil. When these microbes stay active, they break down nutrients faster and make them easier for plants to use. Now stir the mixture well for a few seconds so the sugar dissolves and the rice begins releasing its natural goodness into the water. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, slowly pour this mixture around the base of your plants, directly onto the soil. This monthly feeding works well for flowering plants, vegetables, and fruiting crops. Over time, it helps support stronger growth, brighter blooms, and healthier fruit. Use this method once a month and watch how your garden responds naturally. Give it a try and enjoy the simple way to keep your plants thriving. Happy gardening!